Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Themes app. This is faster than navigating settings. Once the app opens, go straight to the Wallpaper tab and grant any required permissions so images show correctly. Tap Local to use your photos or Online to browse curated designs. When you see a preview you like, tap it to inspect how it fits. This shows cropping and lock/home differences. Make sure to download first if it's online, then you're ready to apply or edit cropping. Once done with selection, you must crop and position the image precisely so icons aren't obstructed. Use pinch to zoom and drag to frame the subject. Check both home and lock screen previews to confirm alignment. Make a conscious choice between movable parallax and static. Parallax adds motion, but may hide app labels. Then choose whether to set for home, lock, or both. Tap Apply to save the setting. This writes the change immediately to your launcher and system. To finish, verify the wallpaper on both screens and navigate your home pages to ensure icons remain readable. If the wallpaper reverts, restart the launcher or reboot the phone. This often resolves transient UI bugs. If images fail to load, clear Themes app cache or check for MiUI updates. Outdated system components can block downloads. Finally, if Themes still misbehaves, open Gallery, select the photo, and use Set as Wallpaper as a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.